They can't take care of their teeth, so you have to do it for them. And here to tell us how, we have Dr. Michelle Trammell of the Banfield Pet Hospital in PetSmart. Hello.
Hey guys, how are you today?
People I know I have these visions, and they all go, I don't want to brush.
I know. I mean, there's no question, that brushing teeth is the gold standard for teeth care, just like us, right? But realistically, brushing your pet's teeth twice a day can be a little challenging, so we do have some other options to help keep your pet's teeth clean at home.
The big one right off the bat here, the elephant in the room. What is this? This is very lightweight.
This is, so we often give our pets rawhide chews, but there is actually a product, Dual Cleanse is one brand, that is actually, they're enzymatically coated chews. So these enzymes are sort of like doggy toothpaste, and as they're chewing, those enzymes on the rawhide chews will help break down the tartar on the teeth and help freshen the gums.
Now these seem awfully light, so do they dissolve faster?
They are. They do. So when you probably want to supervise your pet when you're giving him this chew, because they will chew it up in 20 or 30 minutes. But you can do those a couple times a week.
You want to be very careful with rawhide, especially they can't get stuck in the throat. So again, you want to supervise.
You want to supervise by doing it, but it only takes 15 or 20 minutes. So while you're watching television, give them a chew and keep an eye on them.
And then if they don't finish it, pick it up.
Exactly. Surprisingly, we have something similar for cats.
Really?
Yes. You do not think about cats being chewers, but these again are enzymatically coated.
What if they're just little treats?
And they're little soft treats, but as you can see, they're bigger than your typical cat treat, and it does.
So they're going to have to chew on it
and gnaw, and it has the same type of enzymes that will help break down some of the tartar in that.
Does this help also just kind of scrape the teeth as well?
Yeah, it's a really good question. There's a lot of discussion right now about, do we want to scrape the tartar off, or do we really want to go in and have them have a professional dental cleaning? We need to get them in for a professional dental cleaning. Let me explain why. If you look at teeth here, you may have a pet that has just a very small rim of tartar, and you may think that by scraping that off that you're helping that pet, but I would like you to look at what is really going on. Look at the periodontal disease. So this is inflammation of the gums and the tissue around the tooth, and you can't see that. And taking that little bit of tartar off is not going to do that pet any good. So we strongly recommend yearly dental cleanings for all of our pets.
And then maintenance.
And
I have to tell you, I was negligent about doing it, and I just did my 2 dogs recently, and it has made such a difference. I can tell in the way they chew, even, and just it's because they're more pleasant to be around.
I mean, the breath is a concern as well. Absolutely. They feel better. I mean, dental disease is painful. I think we all know if we've had gingivitis or, heaven forbid, a cavity or an abscess in our tooth, that's painful. And there's no way you can tell that, and your pet can't tell you that that's bothering them. So dental cleanings are super, super important. And then, as we said, after that professional dental cleaning, after everything's been addressed, these products can be helpful. We have a drinking water additive.
I was going to say that mouthwash, how do you get to spit it out?
Exactly. So it's actually designed so they don't have to spit it out. You just add a little bit, safe for dogs and cats.
And I use the same water bottle.
Exactly.
So you just add a little bit
to their water every day, and they drink it. And it absolutely serves like mouthwash. It has the same antibacterial properties, and it will help, particularly with periodontal disease. With that, we have again a little spray, a little bit easier than toothbrushing. Just kind of open them out and kind of spray it along the teeth. Same kinds of ideas.
Oh, that would be fun. What does it taste like?
Unfortunately, they're all minty flavored, but that helps with